Do a Spanish spelling check. Spanish is one of the most difficult languages to learn, if not the most difficult language. Whether you are writing it or speaking it, using the correct grammar and spelling is a must. Otherwise, you will never be understood with what message you want to convey. Here are some tips on how to do a spelling check in Spanish. If you are writing something online, install a Spanish spelling dictionary and not just an English dictionary on the browser that you are using. There are several add-ons that enable you to do so. This way, while writing online, you will easily detect if an incorrect word is spelled. Add more functionality to what is mentioned above by installing Spellbound with your Firefox browser. This is a Firefox add-on based on the basic spell check feature, but this application easily adds words to the dictionary and easily switches between dictionaries. There are various applications that may be used for spelling check. You can easily download one program that suits your needs the best. These programs not only offer spelling check but grammar check and word check as well. It would be better if you use an application that offers a diversity of functions. Another way to know if you have your spelling correct is by checking a book dictionary and not just the online ones. It is better that you have many resources rather than just have one, or rather just checking it online. One cannot simply rely on the online resources, because it is possible that this resource is not updated, or more importantly not correct. Books are more reliable compared to online resources, since these resources are most often not checked by reliable copywriters. A foolproof way of checking your spelling grammar in Spanish is by asking a friend who is an expert in the Spanish language to double-check the work that you have done. This way, you are not only relying on the correctness of your writing through the technology that is available on the market, but also on a human perspective. There are things that technology can do better, but the thoroughness of a human cannot be questioned. What are mentioned above are just tips on how you can prevent yourself from having wrongly spelled words. Checking for incorrectness is hard enough when using the English language, but even harder when you are using Spanish as a language. It is important that you take note of the spelling, but also that you are using the words correctly. Meaning, your grammar is also correct and you are not using the correct spelling of a word that should not be used in the sentence that you are constructing. If this happens, you may be conveying the wrong message in your sentence. It is important that you are very keen on checking all the possible loopholes your writing may have, not only with spelling but with your grammar as well. Spanish is an unforgiving language, and you can easily make mistakes if you do not know what you are doing. It is important to use tools to help you correct your grammar, etc.